For joyful, effortless driving, it's important that you feel safe in your car. Mazda offers you a complete premium package for the CX-30 and Mazda 3 with active and passive safety features. You can choose the grade with the safety package that best suits your needs, including various supportive systems which we call iActiveSense. The list of security features is quite long, so in this video I'm just going to talk about my favourites. One of them is the Mazda Radar Cruise Control. A radar sensor monitors the road ahead, and the system can adjust the car's speed to always maintain a safe distance. It also offers you a stop and go function, which is really handy in busy traffic. The assistance systems also include traffic sign recognition and driver monitoring. Other functions like the blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and the adaptive headlights ensure peace of mind whilst driving. If equipped with the 360 view monitor, pulling into a parking space, even a tight one, becomes much easier. In a critical situation, the smart brake support will be initiated, automatically applying the brakes to help avoid or minimise an impact. This includes front, rear and turn-across traffic. Sometimes though, an impact is unavoidable. This is when Mazda's passive safety technologies come into their own. High tensile steel in the car's body structure protects the occupants as well as the shape and positioning of each airbag. Years of road accident analysis and human physiological studies have led to Mazda being one of the industry-leading manufacturers in crash protection. Thanks to all this experience, our customers can enjoy a safe and stress-free drive.